Today we're going to be looking at how to create a new warehouse in Odoo 16. In Odoo, a warehouse is the actual building or place in which your items are stocked. Now when you first set up your Odoo instance, it will automatically populate your inventory with one warehouse. If your company has multiple warehouses though, you're going to need to make a change to your configuration to set up a new warehouse. Today we're going to do just that. I will be showing you how to create a new warehouse, add inventory to your warehouse, and specify which warehouse to pull the inventory from to complete a sales workflow. We'll get started by going to our dashboard and inventory module. We'll go to the top menu, select configuration and settings. We'll scroll down from here to the warehouse section, and we're going to select multi-step routes. And we'll save that. All right. We'll go back to configuration. We're going to select warehouses. All right. Now currently we have our West Coast San Francisco warehouse set up in the system, and it's identified right here under the name and then warehouse stock, and the address linked to it is attached to my company contact form. And we can supply our customers based on our location. So we need to add our new warehouse. We're going to do that by clicking create. And we're going to add our East Coast warehouse to the system, the New York location. We'll add that name. And then we're going to add a short name. And this is any 5-digit alphanumeric code you choose. And we're going to go ahead and update that to WH2. We'll select my company. I'm going to change the address here, so we change it from our San Francisco one to our New York one. We'll select that one there, and that is going to set us up. Now we're looking at our warehouse configuration tab, and this is where we can talk about our shipments as well as our supply. For shipments, we're looking at our incoming and outgoing shipments and how we want to actually process goods, how we want to receive them or deliver them. So that's 1, 2, or 3 steps can be selected here. Then under resupply, this is where we're going to specify how we're supplying our warehouse. Is it a buy to resupply situation, which is what we're going to do, or are we resupplying our New York warehouse from our San Francisco warehouse? In this case, we're purchasing to resupply. The next thing I want to show you is the routes up here. So from this screen, we can view the pre-configured routes in the system, which allow the inventory module to automatically generate transfers following the configured push and pull rules specified. When we drill down into the buy route, for example, we're going to see what this is applicable on, the products, the rules based on the stock location and the actions. So if we were to click on Warehouse 2, our New York stock location, we can open that up, and we're going to see that when products are needed in this warehouse, we're going to generate a purchase request for this to fulfill that need. So with our warehouse created, we now need to add some inventory to the warehouse. We'll go to inventory adjustments, and from this screen we can see the location of our inventory that we have, everything that's on hand. This is for our San Francisco warehouse. We need to add something by clicking the create button. I can do that, and I'm going to add this to our WH2 warehouse for New York, and we're going to add our product, and that would be our desk, the large desk, so we'll find that. And then we need to add the counted quantity. How many do we have in stock? So you can see the counted quantity is under this column here. We'll add 15, and that will set today. So we're going to go ahead and apply this. All right, so now you can see that we've added this to our inventory. We could also view this by location if we wanted to group it, making it easier to see what is where. So under our warehouse in New York, we have one item with a quantity of 15 on hand, and that's already set to go. So we'll go back now to our dashboard, and we're ready to go ahead and move into our sales workflow. We're going to go to our sales module, and we're going to create a quote. So we got a call from Smith Art Studio, and they are located in Charlotte, North Carolina. So we're going to add the details here, the expiration date. Ready to go ahead and add the product. They're going to order that desk that we talked about, the large desk. And they want just one quantity. But what we're going to notice here is this red graph, and that is indicating that it is out of stock. Now, I know that we just added this to our warehouse in New York, and based on their location being in Charlotte, they need to ship from our New York warehouse. So let's go to the Other Info tab. Down to the delivery section, we're going to see that this is marked for our San Francisco warehouse. So we need to change that here. Selecting New York, that will adjust that. Now we'll go back to the order lines, click Save, and you're going to notice that now it is moved and changed to green, indicating that it is available in our warehouse. So we are ready to go ahead and send that to the customer. We're going to confirm it because we know that they're ready to purchase. All right, and everything has been added. We're going to send that order back to them through email. All right, everything looks good. We'll send it out. And that's been noted here in the chatter. And we could go through to the delivery process by this smart button here, but we're going to go back out to our dashboard and go in through our inventory module. Opening up to our inventory dashboard, we can see that we have both our warehouses here, San Francisco and all of the processes there, as well as the New York. So we need to go ahead and drill down into our delivery order. We have one to process, and this is from today. This is our sales order 26. This is our source document for that particular order for Smith Art Studio. So we see that it is ready. We'll jump in there. All right, and now we can see the product, where it's coming from, the reserved quantity, and the done quantity. None is there yet, but it is available, so we can go ahead and pick that and set that quantity. All right, now we're going to go ahead and see that that was addressed and changed to 1. We'll validate, and we can see that it's moved from the ready to the done state, and we have completed our delivery order. So as you can see, Odoo's out-of-the-box functionality and logic requires us to specify which warehouse we'd like to ship our products from. Now, if you're looking to automate shipping logic and further streamline your processes, contact us for a free consultation by emailing us at sales@confianzit.com or call us at 704-214-4622, extension 403.